Good morning, I am Kiran Raj. Welcome to the online classes on LAMP technology. Today we will discuss about the installing PHP 4. In the previous classes we have discussed about the installation of the Apache 2 and its configuration. So if you remember the installation of Apache 2 and its configuration, then the installation of PHP is very much similar to it. PHP is built as dynamic Apache module, that is dynamic shared object, for with the support of the MySQL. Before going for the installation of the PHP, you have to install Apache, then the MySQL, then the PHP. Apache HTTPD must have Morso enabled. HTTPD is a configuration file, Apache configuration file that should have the Morso enabled for the DSO to support. Now how to check whether the Morso is available or whether it is disabled, right? Just type hash httpd -l. When you use that command, the compilers in the modules are listed. So mainly httpd core.c and morso.c and some other modules are listed. It need not be only two, but you can have many modules can be there. That depends on your requirement. But make sure that morso.c module is present with you, because if that is not present, then you have to add the morso.c. Now let us come for the installation. You have to download the latest version of the PHP from the http www.php.net/downloads.php. So you can download it from there. So there are many dynamic and static versions are available, but make sure that you either install static version or install the dynamic version. Don't install both of them. So we have the different PHP files are available with us. So I have listed two PHP files. Now let us say that I want to download PHP -4.3.4.tar.gz. So let us say that I have downloaded. Okay, now I have to install, right? Similar to Apache, first you have to log in as root. Afterwards, make the directory called as /php4. Now copy the downloaded file. Which one was the downloaded file? php-4.3.4.tar.gz. So copy that in this directory. After that, you have to gz, ending with gz, that means it is a compressed file. So you have to extract that. So I will be using the command #g unzip php -4.3.4 tar.gz. When you extract the file, you get php -4.3.4 you will get that file. So what will happen here is the php -4.3.4 tar.gz will get replaced by php -4.3.4 tar. Now tar is an archived file, so you have to again extract it. So the command is #tar -xvf php -4.3.4 If you want the explanation of that command, that is -xvf, those things I have explained in the installation of the Apache 2. Please watch that video. Afterwards you have to create the directory in the PHP 4 directory, that is php -4.3.4 4. So you have to create it under the PHP 4. So the extracted contents will be placed in the subdirectory. Afterwards you have to change the control. So how to change the control of the directory? Just have the cd command. So hash cd php hyphen 4.3.4. That time the control will be provided to the subdirectory, and in the subdirectory you have the installation file is there, so you can start the installation. Before that you have to configure, right? So how to configure? Hash dot slash configure hyphen hyphen with mysql with hyphen mysql hyphen hyphen with hyphen apx2. Then you have to provide the path name. So you can see the path here in the second line. For example, in that line you can see the path here. So I am providing the path. Now when I provide the path, it should be where the apxx is installed. Where the apxx is installed, that path should be mentioned. apxx is an Apache extension tool. That path should be given. Now what is the meaning of hyphen hyphen with hyphen MySQL? That specifies that PHP should be built with the support of MySQL, and hyphen 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 apx2 specifies the path to the Apache web server's apxs script. After that you have to compile. To compile you are going to have the command hash make, then it will be compiled, that is your files will be compiled. The time taken for the compilation, that completely depends on the size of the file that you are going to have, and different modules that you want to add, your process speed, the memory available with you. So it depends on those factors. After the compilation is completed, you have to install. So the command is hash make install. Then you have installed the PHP. Now what you have to do is you have to bind the PHP 4 with the Apache 2. So how to do that? Go to the Apache 2 and open the httpd conf file and check whether the PHP4 my type is PHP4 my type is there and uncommented. If it is commented, then remove the comment, or if the particular line, that is add type application hash x hyphen httpd hyphen php.php, that is not present, then add that. It will be there in the httpd conf file. If it is commented, then uncomment it. If that you are not able to see that, then add that line. Okay. Now next what you have to do here is PHP module is loaded by the httpd conf file. Again you have to check whether the below line is present or not, that is load module php4 module modules like php4.so. check whether that module is present or not. If that module is not present, then add the line. Okay, similar to above one also. Then after you make any changes, these two lines, they are not added in PHP, but they are added in httpd configuration file, that is main configuration file of Apache. So in Apache, if we make any changes, then you have to restart it to apply the changes, right? So I'm going to restart the Apache. So how to restart it? First I have to stop the Apache httpd service, then I have to start the Apache to httpd service. This command is similar to your previous class. Hash slash user slash local slash apache 2 slash bin slash apache control, that is ctr stop, and when I am going to start, it will be start. So this is the sample of the HTTPD configuration file for the LAMP framework. Again, this main part, that is this section, server name, virtual host till virtual host, it is very similar to previous virtual host discussion, but only two lines you have to add, that is add type application slash hyphen httpd hyphen php dot php and load module php4 underscore modules hyphen slash live php4 dot, so those two lines should be added. So these two lines are which are present here. So add type and load module, so they are present here, or those are the changes that you have to make in the Apache 2. They will be present in the configuration file, but by chance if they are not present, you have to add them. Thank you.